Today I'm going to show you how to create an activity that has Google Slides embedded into it so that you could post or showcase a video of yourself teaching or reading a book and make that an actual activity. So here's an activity that I've created, for example, and this is my Wednesday activity. So Wednesday, or each day, the kids get an activity and it says click on the link and watch the video. So they actually just click on this box. They don't go anywhere else. When they click on this box, it pops and open another screen and takes them right into my virtual classroom. And on here, I can put in the video, and this video, the kids just press play. Happy Wednesday, my friend. And they'll see our welcome routine. We do a mindful moment. We read a book together, and then I'll tell them an activity that's a follow up that I want them to do. And all this is on one page. And then the kids go back to Seesaw when they're ready, and then they can follow the directions and add their response to this activity. So today's activity was taking a picture or taking audio recording and saying what facts they learned about rocks, because the book that they were reading was about rocks. So to do that, you need to have Google Drive access. And on Google Drive, you're going to need to go to Google Slides. And so on here on Google Slides, I already have a couple of templates set up. This is my virtual classroom. Then I modified it. This was actually just a clip art that I found online. You can get really creative with it. People are getting really creative and creating their own with their own carpets and books and whatever they want. I just went with something really quickly. Then all I added was my Bitmoji, and then I added a little panda, and I found a clip art of a chalkboard that I wanted in the background. You could have something simple like a chalkboard. I've seen corkboard. You could even just have a regular page. And just like in PowerPoint, you can change the background. And so up here at the top, I'm going to click change background. And maybe I just want something that has one solid color. And so we're going to work with this today. On here, you can modify and add anything you want. So I'm going to add a text box. And this activity is going to be for Thursday. And on there, I can move the box anywhere I want. So what I want to do is I want to embed a video that I've already recorded. And so you can record your video in QuickTime, Screencastify, or Loom, wherever you're comfortable with. But then you add those videos or drag and drop those videos into your Google Drive, because that's how you're going to get it to work for Seesaw. So up at the top, I'm going to click Insert. And when I click Insert, I'm going to go to Video. This is going to take me to my drive. And on my drive, I'm going to look for the book that I want. I'm going to do Goldilocks 3 Dinosaurs. When I click on it, I'm just going to click Select. This brings the video right into the slide. And so for this day, I want the kids to watch this. And you can add any video you want on here. This is the one we're going to use for the demonstration today. Now here's the trick that you need to be able to work this in Seesaw. When you have this page set up how you want, you're going to go to File up in the top left-hand corner, click File. You're going to publish this to the web. When you publish this page, and you're only going to want one page on here, when you publish it, it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to publish it? Just click yes or okay. Then you're going to copy and paste this link. When you come back to Seesaw, you're going to click create a new activity, and we can add the activity name and instructions in a little bit. What you're going to want to do with that Google link is click add multimedia instructions or examples. When you click here, you're going to click the link button on the bottom right. Then you're just going to paste that Google link that you just published to the web in here, click the green button. Then it's going to ask if you want to do some kind of integration. You're going to press continue. Give it a second to load. It's attaching that Google slide link to your activity. And then there is my virtual classroom template ready to go. I can click the green button, and then I can just say Thursday book, put in my instructions, watch the video, Tell me if you liked the book. And I can add different directions later if I want. I'm going to click save when I'm done with all of that. And now my activity is ready to go. And I can check it. I can click that link button and it comes right to that template and I can click play. The book we're reading today is Goldilocks and the Three Dinosaurs. And now that's live for my class to watch. From here, then I can assign that. I'm going to click that green button, click here, and I can assign it to my class, or I can schedule post it so that this goes live the day I want it to go live. I hope you found that tutorial helpful.